Now the only thing left is this parting space. We have to make it look more natural.
5 minutes later.
Oh my gosh, y'all. I ripped the actual lace off. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I can cover it up with makeup. If not, I am screwed. Hey y'all, it's Z to the I to the A to the S-I-A. What's up, what's good? It's your girl ZiAsia, and I'm back once again to slay your day. Now I have a great video in store for you, but before we get into it, if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Look y'all, so it is summer 2019. It is time to act up, okay? It is time to grab your girls, you know, take that trip, and if they can't come, leave their asses, okay? I'm trying to have my fun before this global warming kick in. I don't know what y'all hoes is doing. So if you hoes missed it, the hottest trend in hair right now is wearing the colored wigs, and since it's summer, everybody's wearing the bright, bold neon colors. And if you want to try the neon hair trend but you don't want to break the bank, then I have the perfect unit for you. Today's video is being brought to you by my favorite online wig destination, ELEVATESTYLES. They sent me this beauty. This is the Freetress Equal Premium Lace Front Wig Evelyn 30, and I have her in the color Strawberry. But I love this color so much, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, and pretend like this is my first time taking it out the package. I tried it on, I did, and I loved it. So that's how I know y'all are gonna love this unit too. Well, the ends are feathered. I'm not getting any tangling. It really resembles human hair. Like, I'm shook because it does not have an artificial shine at all. So here is the parting space. Very natural. I will probably go in there and pick some out, but it is a very good start. It has 2 clips in the front as well as 1 clip in the back and the adjustable strap. But she is, wow, touching my butt. Gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360. Again, I love the density on this unit, but overall, right off the bat, this looks pretty dang on natural. It lays extremely flat. Now I am experiencing some tangling in this unit, so you will have to make sure you have a paddle brush handy. I'm also getting a lot of shedding, but that could be due to the fact that I cut the lace off. I'm hoping that will slow up a bit. So first, I'm gonna put my wig cap about 1 inch higher than my hairline. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Got to Be Glued Freezy spray.
Next, I'm going to be using my blow dryer to go ahead and dry that Got to Be Glued spray.
Once we have that dry and tacky, we're gonna go ahead, pull that unit up, press down. I always tell y'all in every video, no matter which wig you install in, the most important part is always what? The size, because that will always expose you, okay? So if you guys have it, that part is not going anywhere. It is secured. Now the only thing left is this parting space. We have to make it look more natural. And if we do a good job with the parting space, then we may not even need to add baby hairs. But it all depends on this next part right here. Look at me acting like this is rocket science. This is rocket science. Do y'all know how to make hot pink wigs look natural? Me neither, but I'm gonna try.
5 minutes later.
Oh my gosh, y'all. I ripped the actual lace off. Oh my gosh. This is my wig cap out because I accidentally ripped the lace right here, and it kind of looks like I have a knot or like a pimple in the middle of my parting space. It does not look good at all. I'm gonna try and cut a little piece of lace off and cover it. Okay, let me measure it. Yep, that is just the right size. I'm going to take that little piece of lace, spray it, and then once I have the Got to Be Glued on it, I'm gonna use my finger and just apply it right over the spot where I ripped the lace.
You could use your hand, but I recommend using tweezers to press it down and make sure that it sticks. Next, you want to add a little bit more Got to Be Glued on top just to make sure that the lace blends completely. So once that little piece of lace is secure, you want to go ahead and hold it down with your tweezers and blow dry the entire area.
Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit more of my foundation powder, put it right in the middle of that parting space, just so that it can all blend seamlessly. And voila, that lace is back in action, honey. Y'all thought I ain't know nothing, huh? Y'all thought I ain't know nothing, huh? Y'all thought I'd just be messing these wigs up, right? I don't got no tricks up my sleeve. Stick around, you may learn something, sis. Now, this next part is an advanced ZiAsia hack, okay? So don't use this if you're a beginner, okay? I'm gonna be using pink Sharpie to help me fill in the hairline where I went a little too far.
So I'm just going to go over the parting space with the Sharpie just to fill in any areas that I may have over plucked. This also helps if you got any makeup on your hair because it'll help hide that as well.
It looks so freaking good. You can't even tell that I ripped this lace, guys. In love. Yeah, so that parting space looks good, but for future, just in case, you know, it does come off, you want to go ahead and make sure you keep the lace that you cut off this unit. But I'm going to go ahead and feather this unit. I just want it in a down, I'm just going to cut in a downward diagonal motion. And just like that, Miss Evelyn is ready to go, honey.
So here is the finished product. I have to say, this may be some of my best work to date because the way this part came out don't make no sense, y'all. Now, this is a 30-inch neon pink wig, so it will tangle, but I find that using mousse will help tame the frizz.
So there you have it, guys. That is it for today's video. I have to say, I love the way this wig came out. I want to thank you so much for watching today. We slayed yet another wig. When y'all thought all hope was lost, what I do? I came back like Jordan in the fourth quarter because I'm 23, y'all. This is my Jordan year. But yeah, I brought that part back to life. You can't tell me that thing don't look good. Look at it up close, sis. Zoom in if you have to, if you must, because that part is A1. Thank you so much, Elevate Styles, for sending me this unit. Please feel free to send me more in every color. I especially want to try that blue raspberry or whatever. That sounds really cute. And anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.